Hi everyone, Pasmis is back with another video and episode 3 na po ng ating series, Survival World. Yes, so today, as you can see, meron tayong build which is supposedly episode 3 but masyado siyang natagalan, so matagal din yung episode na to. Hindi ko na yan ipapakita. So, yeah. What we would do for now, episode 3, is we're going to be beating the Ender Dragon. As you can see, meron na tayong Eyes of Ender, Ender Pearls, and everything that I need. Yeah. And okay na yan. And na lang yung kailangan ko. So, yeah. The last thing that I'm going to need to do is actually finding the end portal. Okay, yun na lang yung need ko and okay na. Actually, wala akong may mga kulang pa akong gamit. But I mean, okay na to siguro. I guess okay na siguro. Kasi wala na akong ibang stash dito na ibang blocks na need ko. I mean, I do need this, netherite spear ko, but hindi ko naman siguro kailangan gamitin yan. So, yeah. So, ito, yung mga gamit. Yeah, this. I think I'm just gonna keep some blocks, yung mga ganyan. So, that's all I need. And I can go now. Okay. Okay, let's start. Okay, dun. So, hintayin ko lang tong si Sam. That's my best friend. Oh my god, nasa na? Oh, eh, nandito na pala. I don't want my magnet to be attracting so much stuff. So, yeah. Oh wait, this wala naman akong hindi ko gamit ang fortune tree ko, so hindi ko na kailangan yan. Yeah. So, come here. Okay. Nakalimutan ko lagyan ng name tag si Sam. So, anong rason ng pangalan niya? I don't know. I guess yung mga viewers ko alam. Yung mga kaibigan ko. So, shh na lang kayo. Shh. So, yung Eyes of Ender, sabi daw dito daw, di ba? Makita nyo naman. And yeah, malag na naman yung phone ko. So, yeah. Yung gameplay malag. Okay lang yan. I think narinig naman siguro full. Hindi pala full volume kanina. And actually, don't worry. Magbabago ako ng armor. Ang pangat ng armor na yan. I mean yung unbreaking and restoration, okay naman yun. And quite a far. Okay, dun pa rin. Tell me. Bro. Please. Tell me nandito lang yun. Please, tell me nandito lang yun. Wait, what? Ah, nandito na nga. Nandito na ako. Nasaan ako? Okay, nandito siya. Nandito siya sa baba. So if I just like mine down, it's gonna be there. Right? Right? Kailangan ko ng leash. Wait lang. Kuha lang ako ng leash. Tapos, yeah, babalik na tayo. Kuha lang ako ng leash, guys. Bye. Okay, so, finally got one. Nandito na. Ayan. Nakay ano na. Nakay Sam na. So, okay, may wood ako. Ba't ako nag-ano? Ba't ako nag-ano ng tree? Okay, crafting table. That. Then. That. Sam, dito ka lang po. Dito ka lang po. Baby, dito ka lang, baby. Saan ka lang, baby? Oh my god, kakamayin ko to. Okay lang. So, saan ako magmimina, guys? Dito ba? So, nandito siya. Tell me, nandito. Nandito. Ayun o, sa baba. Oh my god, yung nakakasi ano. Dito ba yun? Please tell me nandito ka lang. Hello? Sir? Dito lang yun, di ba? Ay, hindi. Ang weird na nito, ah. Ang weird nung ano, structure ng ano, ng mga stones, ah. Bro, ang weird, ah. Hindi ko nandito na eh. Dito lang yan eh. Dito lang yan eh. Please. Please. Bro, what? What? Bro, we're cooked. We're cooked. Bro, we're cooked, bro. Bro? Broski? Nasaan na? Okay, kung nasaan ako, doon na lang ako magmimina. Pokin ng ina. Dito ako, diba? Dito. Ayun! Ina mo, nakita ko. Hi! Hi! Hello! Okay. What do I need here? Hanapin ko na yung portal room. Portal room! Portal room? Hello? Hello? Bakit bukas na to? Hindi ba't hindi dapat to bukas? Bakit bukas na to? Sir? Uy! Chest. Smithing! Template. Oh! Man. Books! Guys, books. May books. Do I need cobweb? No, I don't need it. Where's the ladder? Right here. Nasaan yung books? Wait, what? Pages, ito pala. Mahirap kapag wala kang ano. Okay. Oh! Wait, what? Whoa, may mending go. Oh my god, let's go. May ending. Armor team. Yes, I got it. Finally. Oh my god, after all this time. Finally got it. Okay. Yun lang. Yung ko. Dito na ako umalis. May chest pa ba sa baba? Alam ko may chest, but ayun. So may gilid sa baba. Ang hirap na ito pag... Ang hirap. Yes, another one. Fortune 1, breaking, unbreaking 3, efficiency 4. Pwede! Yun, min. Ang hirap na natin. Nandito na ba? Oh my god! other, right? What? What? I didn't freaking place a mob spawner. What? Who's the guy? Oh my god. What? Okay. Okay. What? Oh, I don't get this. Got it right here. Accept. Let me take a screenshot first. Done. I should just probably do it. Let's go! Okay. So, might actually be like a little bit OP kasi naka-peaceful po ako. Oh my god, nakakainis kapag may ano. What? Okay, let's go. Let's do this. Wait. Oh my god. Oh no. I know you're gonna like just run away, bro. Don't make me look dumb. Actually, it doesn't do damage to me anymore, bro. What? No way. Mahirap na ito. Kaya ba tamaan yan? Okay, I'm just gonna like power up or something. It ain't gonna work, bro. Okay, done. Wait, meron pa pala dun. Bro, what? What? layo mo. Finally, someone bought that motherfucker, bro. Ouch, 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 bro. Bakit ngayon lang ako nakakatag ng damage dito? Oh my god. Bakit parang kanina hindi ako nakakapag-take ng damage? What? Weird, bro. Weird. Oh my god, paano ko kunin yan? Look for a girl with a broken smile. Fuck, let's go! Finally, got it. Yeah. 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 Easiest mode of all time. Peaceful mode. Let's go! Finally get an Elytra. Elytra. All I need. Oh my god. Tell me nasa safe place ako. Okay, right here. Okay, so ayun! NCT. Yes, my ship! Let's go! Let's go! Ang taka mag-circle ba dito? Super? Super? Yun, meron ba? Piluting tingnan naman. Yeah, I got this motherfucker. Uy, look! Gago! What? Bro, ang ina no? Okay. Okay, may instant healing pala dito. Hey, what's up? Yes! Yes! Finally ka lang ng Elytra. Pera ni Elytra, bro. Okay, so I'm back. Nandito na po ako sa nakabalik na po ako sa Overworld. Nakuha ko na po yung lahat ng aking kailangan na gamit. Yan. May Elytra na po ako, marami na. And akala mo yun lang. And nakuha po ako ng Ender Chest. Yes. Ano? Ang dami kong nakuha. So goods, maganda. And nakakuha din ako ng trim, which is super valuable actually. So gagawa lang ako ng ng chest and shulker. Yes, may shulker na tayo. May shulker box na tayo, guys. Let's go. Nakalimutan ko kasi magdala ng goods sa sa end, kaya napuno yung yung inventory ko. So nilipat ko lang to. And may mga nakuha akong spare gear, which is actually valuable. Maganda din naman. Okay lang naman yung makuha yung mga ganito. Okay lang naman yan kahit kunin nyo yan. So wala namang makakapigil sa inyo at sa akin din. Walang makakapigil sa akin. Kahit yung iron sword, pre, hindi ko pinalagpas, kinuha ko na rin. And yan eh, kailangan ko ng shulker na nakuha. So kaldo, pumaldo din ako. So let's Kuha pa ako. Oh no. Okay, so okay naman na siguro to. I have my bed. I have the dragon head. Cute. Rar. What? Is this a bug? Bakit ako merong... Wait, what? I was spawner. iPhone cookie. Okay, so babalik na ako sa base and dadalhin ko na rin si Sham sa base. So yun nga, salamat sa panonood guys. I just wanna thank you all for waiting kasi natagalan talaga yung pag-post ko ng episode 3 and maraming salamat sa suporta. And yeah, huwag niyong kakalimutan na mag-subscribe, like, and yeah, huwag niyong kalimutan lahat yun. Okay? Thank you, and I'll see you in episode 4. Bye-bye!